So in the previous video, we have seen what is number line, and you have traveled through the number line with your fancy bag, right? So the numbers you have collected in your bag are like natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and rational numbers. But still there are some numbers left on the number line. So today let us discover which are the numbers. So let's take a look at it.
Hey buddy, so in the previous section or previous video we saw that there are many numbers on the number line that are not rationals. So today let us see, like, there are numbers still left on the number line that you have not collected in your bag yet, and those are called as irrational numbers. So let us define irrational numbers. See, a number is called irrational number. A number is called irrational number if it cannot be written in the form p by q, where q is not equal to 0. And absolutely here p and q are integers. So a number is called irrational if it cannot be written in the form p by q. So see, if you remember in the last part we discussed rational numbers, right? So what are rational numbers? If a number can be represented in the form p by q, then they are called rational numbers. It is exactly opposite to that one. So irrational, exactly opposite. Okay, so moving further. So what are the examples of irrational numbers on the number line? Will be your question, right? See, as in the definition, if a number cannot be represented in p by q form. So now examples are root 2, pi, and root 3, root 5, root 6, root 7, root 10, etc, etc. So many examples like. Okay, you can try it yourself. Can you represent root 2 in p by q form? Try it yourself. See, that's not possible, right? So further we'll also be proving why root 2, root 3 and root 5 are irrational numbers according to syllabus of 9th standard. Similarly, you can prove other irrational numbers too. So moving further. So now let us see, like, now your bag contains, in previous video your bag contained rational numbers. If now you put up all these collected irrational numbers into your bag, are there any numbers still left on the number line? The answer is no. There are no numbers left on the number line. It turns out that the collection of all rational numbers and irrational numbers together make up collection of real numbers. So let me tell you. Rational numbers plus irrational numbers makes up collection of real numbers. So now your bag contains real numbers in the whole. So what is a real number? Real number. Real number is represented by R. So real number is either rational or irrational. It may be a rational number or irrational number. Okay, so every real number is represented by a unique point on the number line. What does it mean? See, let me repeat it. Every real number is represented by an unique point on the number line. See, real number means nothing but it may be a rational or irrational. Okay, so let me consider 1.25. 1.25. So when you consider 1.25 on your number line, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay, now 1.25 may turns out to be somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here. Somewhere here, over here. So at this point we get 1.25. So even if you magnify further, can you get 1.25? It's not possible, right? So suppose another example. This is 4, right? Okay. Are you getting 4 again on the number line? No. Right. On this point, on this particular point itself, you are getting the value 4. So real number is represented by unique point on the number line. See, 4 is represented by this point. You are not getting 4 at any other point. So I hope you got my point. So also every point on the number line represents unique real number. So consider this one. This is a point on the number line. That point represents some unique real number which is not same to the other number. Like -3. This point is -3, right? You don't get -3 anywhere else on the number line. It is a unique point. So I feel like you got my point. So okay, this point has become more. Okay, so up until now, this types of number is over. So let us sum up all of them. See, you came like, at first you collected natural, then you collected whole numbers, then you collected integers, then you collected rational numbers, then you collected irrational numbers. So the whole are called as real numbers. So I hope that you're clear with this concept. So I suggest you to see my videos, maybe they are a bit slow, but I bet you that you will understand them. Okay buddy, now let us see how to locate root 2 on the number line. Without any further ado, let's get started, man. See, now to locate root 2 on the number line, first let us draw a number line. Okay. I'll draw it with roughly, okay. You need to use your scale and take up proper measurements. See, this is center 0. You mark up 1, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. -1, -2, -3, -4. Similarly. Okay, now what you do is, from 0 to 1, the distance is 1 unit. Okay, now from 1, you draw up a line. Now, here you mark 1 unit. On this line, you mark 1 unit. 1 unit may approximate come over here somewhere. Okay. Now, if you mark over here, join this and this point. This is 1 unit, right? Let me tell you how you are going to transfer root. Let call 0 as O, and this thing as A, and 1 as B. OAB is a triangle right now, and it is a right angle triangle. So now we can use Pythagoras theorem. See, this is OA. We need OA, right? OA square is equal to OB square plus AB square. Okay, now what is OB? What is value of OB? It's 1 unit. So 1 square plus AB is 1 square. Okay, now we get 1 plus 1, that is 2. 1 square is 1, 1 square is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. OA square is equal to 2. Now we need OA. So transfer the square to the right side. It becomes square root, right? Okay. OA is equal to root 2 units. Now the value of OA is root 2. Now what to do, my buddy? Just place your compass. Just assume that this is compass. Place your compass. Take O as the center. Length as OA. O as center, length as OA. And then transfer it down to the number line. This point, name it as P. So here you get the value of root 2.
Thanks for watching. Hope you like the video. Do like, comment and share with your friends, and do subscribe to our channel. For notes, you can check out our blog. Link is given in description. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.